Well, Charlie's doing a lot more than biting fingers now. Watching every movie in 2025 follows you don't miss a review. So in The Forest Clown, a little kid gets terrified because he thinks he killed his childhood best friend and runs away into the woods. And then years later, he becomes a magical forest clown, like the title says. But none of that is ever explained. What? This movie is so bad it's almost funny. This ultra low budget film produced by Zero Budget Films, no joke, that is what the production company is called for this movie, is a masterclass on how to make a terrible movie. The lighting is constantly changing in between scenes. The audio mixing is a mess. Sometimes the music is higher than the people speaking. And then there's almost like a zero lack of background music to the point where sometimes in this movie it sounds like they took a microphone and tapped it against a wall to build a suspenseful atmosphere. What is happening in this movie? The only saving grace of this awful movie is this clown, because he is the part where it's it's so bad it's almost funny. But he's not in it for half of this movie, so you don't really get to enjoy it. You just gotta watch these annoying people walk around and talk about, oh man, I hate camping, I wish something interesting had happened, and then this clown lurks around in the background for 30 minutes. It's not worth your time. This movie is so close to going all the way around bad and being oh, you can watch this and enjoy it. It's that kind of bad movie, but not quite. It gets a 0. 0.